I'm guessing those give you ammo? Yeah, I guess. I'm hoping. You have plenty of ammo, so don't worry about that. Need a grenade on him, man. Carry him. Oh, yeah, he's pretty okay. Did you burn these? Yeah. You didn't get them all, I don't think.
Three
Or did you?
monkeys.
Yeah, I guess you did. Alright.